How to fix Black Ops Cold War -345 Blazing Gator error. To fix Black Ops Cold War -345 Blazing Gator error, try 1. Check your internet connection and ensure you have a fast, stable connection. If not, Google how to fix a slow internet connection, such as rebooting your router, if any. And try using the recommended NordVPN in this video guide. 2. Ensure your team, your pals all get the most current patch of Black Ops Cold War is downloaded and installed. 3. Using a mobile phone hotspot. Note, 5G connection is highly recommended. And try 4G based connection as well.